Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make ice cream. Yes, it's a galaxy chocolate ice cream. So the ingredients for the ice cream are 150 ml of condensed milk, 300 ml of fresh cream, and some galaxy chocolate. Then take a bowl and add fresh cream first. Now I'm going to beat it until the cream is thick. Just like this. Now taking the galaxy chocolate, I'm going to keep this for the end, and rest of the chocolate I'm going to melt in the oven. And this is how you should do it. After melting it, I'm adding it into the cream. Mix it very nicely. And once you're done, add the condensed milk. Gradually add and keep mixing. I break the chocolate bars in half and make chunks, and now I'm adding those chunks into the ice cream and mixing it nicely. Taking a plastic container, I'm adding the ice cream in, and now I'm going to refrigerate it for at least 8 hours, or you can keep it overnight as well. There you go, I kept it for overnight and still it's melting because it's quite hot here as it's summer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.